Okay. Atong balikan mahigala ning atong isgutanan sa impeachment mga sukit tig paminaw. Kagahapon ni file og impeachment complaint mahigala. Kini nagduda ko nga tininuod na gini nga impeachment. Hugot nga paghimo na gini kay sila naman ni si Kwan, Mike Defensor. Ani pasakag kaso. Og kadto mga higala sila si Nery Colmenares. Sila Stedy Casinio. Nagtuo ko nga hugot na ni. Kani sa dong preskon ni after that one. Preskon after o sige. Sa dili pa ning preskon after sa incident. At isang unahon tong pag-file yun nila wada-wata. Ang ila mga higalang impeachment complaint kay wa lagi diha kuno ang Secretary General. Ang first nga impeachment complaint nga ginudahan nga atikra mao to'y gidawat katong ginudahan nga atikra kay ang nag-file ang abogado ra nga ginudahang abogado ra ni Lisa Marcos. So gi-file sus gi-endorse dayon indekin oy. No? Gi-file sa usa ka attorney Andre De Jesus o gi-endorse dayon ni Deputy Minority Leader and Pusong Pinoy Party List Representative Journey Nisay. Kadtong impeachment complaint, medyo komedya ra tong impeachment complaint, maoy gidawat. Kay ngano ni anang panahona pag-file, naaman kuno ang Secretary General mga higala ng panahona nga si Chiloy Garafil. So kadto luag tong impeachment complaint, dali ra tong ma-dismiss. Maoy nadawat. Ang gahapon, wa gidawata kay wa lagi diha Secretary General kay tuan larga lagi sa Taiwan. Giatubang sila sa second in command pero maingon nga di gid mo dawat ana. Wa man gid diri ang Secretary General. Ni ang video ha ako ipakita ninyo. Porbida makaingom sa tag Hesus kumoy magdaghan ini, ha? Kumoy magdaghan jutay ra. Ang opisina may mudawat. Di man gyud dili wa diha Secretary General nga si Kwan Chiloy, was Chiloy. Amo ni hitabo ha, bi ako ipabati ninyo ang video mga sukit paminaw. Sige ko no dong. Amo ni ang dito sa opisina ni Chiloy sa opisina may gala mo ni ang second in command mga kagalaan ni Chiloy Garafil dito ang Secretary General sa House of Representatives. So nangabot sa si Mike Defensor sa Attorney Topacio dito ug uban pa kay ilang i-file ang impeachment complaint giingan silang di gyud kumdawat ana di gyud wa man din si Kwan wa man din Secretary General nga ikaw de basta ka di gyud ko pwede ana. Kuyawa og mo'y magdaghan jutay ra. Ya, ito paminaw na. Kung sinitabo kagahapon. Okay, sige, play names.
Before we start, and I do understand, could we have a moment lang na, wag muna tayo mag-record para...
Hindi pwede. This is a public office.
Yeah. I will just talk to the...
Sige, Tony. Go ahead.
Sir, pursuant to the people ahead of you, the Secretary General is not around, not authorized to receive.
It is the office of the Secretary General.
How about
The
the deputy?
Secretary General.
Where's the deputy? Deputy Secretary.
Sir, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next in line.
Yes.
So you should receive.
In
You should
the case of
receive.
Bautista first, in the case of Bautista impeachment, it's the deputy who will receive.
Yes.
Respectfully. Okay, I'm not here to argue. I don't wish to.
Sa kakampi natin to.
Yes.
I am just relaying my position. I am not.
No, attorney, ano lang,
It's
kategor...
not an instruction. It is.
Yeah.
I am not
In the position to
receive it.
But in the case of impeachment of former COMELEC Chairman Bautista, which whom we impeach, it was the deputy
Yes.
who received our impeachment
The next in
complaint
line, the
in
next in line.
2017.
Yes, the next in line.
There is already a precedence in the House.
I would have to say
Please check the records.
I am not arguing.
Okay.
I am not arguing.
Thank you.
I am not even raising my voice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I am just manifesting.
Okay.
I am not authorized to receive the document.
Attorney, may question. Wow.
For the
Again,
record.
ako sir, I'm just saying, I'm not arguing, sir.
No, it's okay.
Wow,
Just
wow.
asking.
What's your-
Then, attorney, question lang. Can it be received ministerially lang? Kahit not you, but
Because it's
someone?
ministerial.
No, sir.
No one is allowed.
Again, the previous have tried.
Okay.
I have nicely.
But why did you receive the first one?
No, I have not received.
Hindi, bakit na? What is the legal basis? We're not arguing.
No, which one, sir?
Merong first impeachment
Bakit
na nandun na sa office. Kay Attorney Jesus.
She was here, sir.
Okay.
So, ibig mo sabihin, by the simple expedient of not being here, hindi kayo pwede mag-receive? Is that your stand?
Sir, I'm just saying.
I'm not authorized.
I'm not arguing, I'm asking you. I want an answer.
I'm just manifesting. I do not have the authority to receive.
Yeah, but attorney,
Oh, what is your
even
basis?
the
What-
office ka na.
Yes, sir. If I cannot, and pababa din, wala din.
Wala din. Okay,
What is
okay
your
lang.
basis? As a lawyer, are both lawyers, you have to tell me what your legal authority
Yeah, buddy.
is.
Sir, I'm just manifesting. And
Wow.
that's all.
Up to what level yung may authority sa office of the section?
Can you assure us na wala kayong gagawin to block our filing when we return on Monday? Like
Pag nandito na yan siya,
impeachment complaint that you already received.
Obviously, sir, that is not within my.
Yeah, hindi siya yan.
It's not my office, sir.
Ang tanong lang, so number 1, you're not authorized. Number 2, the office is not authorized. Number 3, sabi mo si Attorney Jesus was allowed because nandito si Secretary Garafil. Okay, and then ang tinatanong ni Attorney lang is on what basis? Kasi constitutionally the office, not the person. So, ang authority na tinatanong ni Congressman Jing, SecGen ba ang may instruction?
No.
So, ano ang basis
Hindi
nyo?
pwede yung ginagawa nyo.
Ano ang basis mo? What is your basis? You
Tell us your basis.
Kasi sandali lang.
Tinatanong namin.
For the record.
Okay,
For the record.
wait, number 1, let's not badger people. I'm not here.
Sorry if you feel that way. That wasn't meant to.
We don't,
just answer the question para hindi ka mabadger. If you're
ganito
not
kasi.
answering the question, then give my answers because we're citizens. We're paying your salary.
Ganyan talaga.
We're paying your salary, so you answer us.
For the meantime, I'm making a proper, even if you don't receive, by law we can proper the complaint and all the annexes, and that is legal. If you will not receive, that is deemed legally received by law.
We tendered it
Tender.
to you.
We are proppering and tendering it
Our
in,
complaint.
under, and by virtue of the Constitution.
Teka.
Let me say, today is 2:18
Okay, si Attorney-
in the
si
afternoon
Attorney
of
naman-
22nd
I
January.
acknowledge the time is 2:11.
Yes.
Oh, sige, 2:11. Okay, sige.
Kalma lang tayo. Si Attorney naman is here to explain to us. Attorney, maybe better
Yes,
just sit down.
explain it to us right now.
I will.
Upo muna kayo tayo.
Upo muna tayo.
Kaya sabi ko baka.
Ako muna tayo.
Para hindi tayo parang tense dito sa ano.
Yeah,
Attorney, please sit down here.
I note your manifestation, sir. I note your manifestation.
But going back, Banyero, to my original question, what is your legal authority in saying that you are not authorized to receive? We want to know. We are
It
curious.
is a statement of fact na I am not authorized.
So you are saying that based on your own conclusion of what the law says, you are not authorized. Is that what you're telling this fellow lawyer?
It's not in the law. It's
Kaya
against the
nga,
law. It's against the law.
is that what you're saying?
Okay lang, sandali So sinasabi na ni Attorney, I'm not authorized. Is there an instruction, Attorney? No. Walang
So
instruction
that-
from SecGen, walang instruction from...
Okay, going to my next question.
Okay.
Since there is no instruction, you're saying that you cannot receive the complaint is based on your conclusion of the what the law says.
Wait, sir.
Nakalit naman, sir.
These questions, what are they for?
We want to know because we are citizens. We are paying
And
your
this is a public
salary.
office.
Under the
You are a public,
Constitution,
you're a public official.
Okay, one by one.
under the Constitution, very clear that if there's an impeachment complaint and duly endorsed by
Sige, para maliwanag na I refuse to be covered by any media recording or anything.
Ano? This is public. Hindi pwede. This is a public office.
Public office.
Hindi to private conversation, pare ko.
For manifestation's sake,
Okay.
I just manifest.
Okay,
I
go ahead.
have not consented to any recording or broadcasting of any conversation here, as I don't.
Okay.
Our lawyer and co-complainant, according to Topacio, will tender
Okay.
the complaint.
Okay, let's
Hindi, sandali lang, for the record.
Oo.
We'll tender the complaint in accordance with the Constitution.
I note, I note for the proper. That's
Kanina yun, di ba?
I know.
Inabot ko. Oh.
Kanina I note for the proper. I said no. Let's go through the motion. I said no. Para at least po.
Okay.
Nonetheless, we are tendering
Attorney, just to be, to you, to be candid, syempre, because we understand na hindi ka naman yung authorized, but of course, as a group, we will also take legal steps. That's why may mga ganito lang motions. We understand that. So, thank you.
Wala po. If that is what I understand.
So, in fact, we feel sorry that you have to take the
We
fall
thank
for
you
this
for
video.
receiving us. So, maraming salamat. Kung may documents,
Establish ko lang. It's 2/11/22 January na tinender namin sa iyo yung aming
Para
verify.
kukumpletin ko na rin po.
Okay.
It was an attempt to
No, it's not an attempt. We tendered to you.
We tendered to you.
Para kukumpletin ko na nga.
galing na sa kanya.
Sige,
You are here
To tender.
to tender. I refused.
That's legal.
And you left a copy here in the office. You could actually leave it there. Para okay na po tayo.
Pwede bang ma-receive, ha?
Is that satisfactory?
Okay na.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
This
Thank
is
you.
what I
Thank you.
propose. Di ba office, di ba office hours nyo hanggang alas 5?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, okay. Since wala si Cheloy dito, hihintayin namin na dumating siya ulit.
Yeah, very. Ako.
Ako hintayin ko. I'll stay here until 7. Out of the country.
Until,
Okay.
Anyway, thank you for that, ha? Alam mo naman na,
where is the second? Where is the second?
Asan ang section? For the record.
Where's the second?
For the record.
Taiwan. And in her absence, who is the acting secgen? Sandali. For the record. Who is?
Isa-isa lang.
It's you.
No,
It's you.
there is no acting secretary.
siya ang
Who's the second in
But you
command?
are
Ikaw.
second in command.
In this office, I am the executive.
Nonetheless, we are tendering and proffering our original complaint and the annexes for and under and by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Kaya kanina ko pa sinasabi, baka meron kayong binabiolate na civil service regulation. Kasi you're supposed to be, pagka wala dito yung
Automatic.
May officer in charge.
merong papalit, merong susunod.
It's automatic.
Secondly, Panyero.
wala.
Secondly, Panyero.
Bakit si Galapin? Nagano na naman, pumuntang Taiwan.
Okay. We have already, di ba? We've established yung, already. We already given it. Si attorney naman was kind enough to state yung legal basis. So, okay na tayo. Ha?
Freeze, pause dong, pause.
Straight to the point.
Now, atong balikan, mahigala mo rin medyo katawanan man ang itabuay ang taon. Karon doon na kay pa-receive nga letter nga to sa Office of the Mayor. Maingon, dili na ba mi mudawat anak sir kay wa si Mayor din he. Kini na bang head of office, managerial post ang iyang ranggo, dili ba na necessary gyud nga mo stay sa office? Daghan ang mga meetings, daghan mga lakaw. Isus Ginoo ko, ug mo'y magdaghan ning klasiha. Jutay ra. Kaya na sa abogado ba sa law office, kanang abogado di ka mag-expect anak nga naa na magstay sa opisina pirmi. Doon ay hearing, doon na rin mga meetings, anhabilin ang sekretary o pila ka mga staff sa opisina. Hindi adto na niya may ipa-receive ni attorney Kuan. Pero di wala ba sa attorney dire? Ug mo ay magdaghan jutay ra. Kaya di man gyud siya mudawat mahigala kay wa man si Chiloy. Chiloy Garafil wa man gyud kuno. Ingon po sa attorney Topacio ug mao na magpaabot na mi dire. Hangtod ra cities gabi eh. Ingon po mahigalang in charge ito second in line.
Wa gabae.
Next in line ni Chiloy Garafil siya nga to Arbas Taiwan sir. Di ko mahauli unyang gabi eh. Bisa pag magdag moskiteros to pasyo dito na imo ginang problema. Ano sa naman yung kalakihan mo nung tayo dua-dua na tayo ng dagana? Wa gyud madawat kay kuman misal Tinder na namo ni. Adi gyud. Kay mo manifest nga among gi Tinder mingo man basa kay ako manifest ako nga inyo ra nang gibilin. Maingon may gala sa Tony Tupasyog ilang grupo ni Mike Defensor sa Singson. Mo manifest mi nga mag-Tinder mi og kape. Maingon mo sa ang abogado mahigala sa opisina nga basta mo manifest ako nga nagbili na mo papel. Tato tiwasod mahigala og kani paminaw ning video be. Una nato ni balik ko na atong chap-chapon ang lasaron tani unya. Kasi ato sa ipadayon ko no names. Asaman to na hunong names. Kana sige.
Governor Chavit.
Sir, iikot ako.
Okay, Governor Chavit.
Ako iikot because...
Isa para ano. Si Admiral Carlos. Carlos. Governor Chavit. Okay, si Secretary Menes Peron. Attorney Topacio. Hindi ikaw. Yung mas gwapo. Kasi Dina. And former Congressman Jing Para.
No introduction necessary.
Of course, Attorney Manny Luna, Attorney General
Former
Garcia.
Commissioner, Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission.
And, sorry, Attorney D. Harold Respicio, Vice Mayor.
Complainant as well, sir.
Okay lang.
Thank you, Attorney.
Pero, Congressman Mike, di ba mayroong executive order that since there is a one China policy, restricted ang travel ng public officials natin to Taiwan?
Ibang topic na yan.
Hindi.
For the record.
Because, kaya naging relevant yun because the reason for the absence of the Secretary General is that she traveled to Taiwan. And under the one China policy, restricted government officials, even on private visits, restricted to Taiwan under the one China policy. May exceptions, of course, but tingnan natin.
Thank you. Okay lang. We understand.
So ano na ngayon?
I'll see you. You don't walk na rin.
Okay.
Ano na nangyari?
Yun nga. Anyway, binigyan naman ni Attorney yung...
Enter naman tayo, that's enough. That's the legal requirement.
Tira, Manong. Let's go.
Iwan ang mga Ay, Kong.
That's
No personal. Thank you.
Attorney, any quick statements, sir? 5K nanonood sa live ngayon?
Again, I am not consented to be on court.
Alright. Alright.
sige.
Kung Mike, for the 5,000 watching live, anong statement natin?
Well, una sa lahat, si Attorney was kind enough to come here and sabihin niya na hindi niya kayang tanggapin. So, ito yung opisina to kasi hindi naman tao but na office. Sa saligang batas, sila yung tanggapin talaga. And ito ipapakita lang na talagang yung na ako ng impeachment ay kalokohan at gusto nilang babuyin ang ating proseso ng saligang batas sa impeachment. Ito lang ang pagkakataon ng tao magreklamo, hindi ba pinayagan?
Attorney Topacio, any statement?
Yes.
Any statement, sir? Sa
I second I give my full assent to the statement of Congressman Mike Defensor na talagang sinisigil yung karapatan ng mga taong bayan na sila ay magreklamo.
Congressman Paras, ano pong statement natin sa kanilang pag-refuse ng ating complaint?
Well, unang-una, wala daw yung SecGen. Nasa Taiwan daw. Unang-una, yung SecGen, she's violating the one China policy. Kasi dati siya doon na head ng NECO. What's her business there? When she's supposed to work here to receive our complaint. So, dapat matanggal yan si Garapel.
Okay. So mo na yung mga higala ang nahitabo. Astilan Ginoo. Nagko man yung mga ranggo to dahil si Espiron dahil General Espiron na ito. Daghana din nila mahigala mga komanda ni. Ha? Awa man, sa taman, minghoy nyo kabaga, kaya di mag-isam dawat. Mga former secretaries sa to, mga former kwanday, ha? Government, high-ranking government officials, andito. Awa man, di, gyud sa dawaton, sa taman. Ingo man ang abogado mahigala sa opisina, next in line, ni Chiloy Garafil nga, basta I'm not arguing. I'm just manifesting. Giingnan mahigala nga na itabo naman na sa kinini ang impeachment ni former Comelec Juan Bautista nga kanana ang pwede naman ang second in line maora may ni dawat. Isa basta kay sa amo ron lahi na ni. Gihonghongan do Chiloy nga larga sa Chiloy ay lasag uli diri Loy. So samtang tuas Taiwan ug laglaag to sa laing nasod tong Secretary General, wa gyud mahitabo nga maka-file og laing impeachment complaint. O ma-process na itong primerong impeachment complaint, okay na tanan, kay maumantoy batok ni Marcos, pwede itong tawagan lang nga, Loy, balik na Loy, kay humana, niya, pabuta lang, kay mag-file na po para kang Sara, mo na ari na ka, kay nanang kang Sara. Naunsa ning kalakiha, mga sukit ng paminaw, giingnan pa mahigala nga, dili ko mosugot nga doon ay recording ha. O sa man mo nagmoingon ka nga dili ka magpa-record nga public office man na, ikaw public official. Ang gi-file official document. Ang gi-file impeachment nga naglambigit sa presidente nga usa ka public official. Ang opisina nga diin na diha ang recording public office. Tag-iya ang katawhan. Unsa may itago nimo? Ha? Purbida ng hitabua mga sukit ng paminaw. Pero di man gyud sa mudawat, siya man di gyud ko mudawat sir, di gyud. Unya kini usa ka very material because ang pag-file sa impeachment, ang atong konstitusyon nag-ingon, usa lang ka impeachment complaint ang kinahanglang ma-initiate within a period of 1 year against the same impeachable official. So karon ang katong primero gi-file na ni Attorney Andre De Jesus o gi-endorse naman to sa Pusong Pinoy Party List Representative Jerny Nisay. Saan naman na ron? Nya karon kini uban nga gi-file basig nga pamasil na ng ila nga oroy madapa ni og kuan wa naman diha. Og gatos Chiloy og di gito mo pauli dawa gid mo mahimo. Di na tumuuli sa gitsatan na sa to. Ayaw lang sa uli. Anak lang. Lingaw-lingaw lang sa diya. Sunod, umubalik sa sunod. May man, nag-file na mag-leave of absence. Tuwa pa sa kwan. Tuwa sa Disneyland. Asa man ito ilang press con dong names. Asa man ito ilang press con kwan. Minghoy in town sa Chavit Singson. Sila si General Espiron. Secretary, mga former government, high-ranking government officials. Apil ito si Attorney Topacio. Minghoy, gawas mo. Mike Defensor. Congressman Mike Defensor, former secretary po na mahigala. Gawas na sila. Wagin mo mahims niya kay mag-unsaon ninyo na nga di manggisa mo dawat. Mo manifest mo nga mag-tinder may kape. May mo sa mo, manifest ako nga nabilin na mo papel. Asa mo ito ilang press con dong names? Biya ito paminahon tong press conference. Kani. Sige.
Umaga, nagkaroon kami ng pag-uusap ng mga kasama sa Makabayan Block na banggit na sa amin na opisyal na hindi tinanggap yung kanilang impeachment complaint. Kaya kami may prepared statement na kami tungkol dito sa ginawa dahil na-anticipate na namin na talaga magkakaproblema sa mismong pag-file namin. At katulad nga na nangyari, At na-anticipate namin, ganun nga. So if I will be allowed to read the statement, to be clear, distribute na lang siguro. The refusal of the Office of the Secretary General of the House of Representatives to accept the impeachment complaint is a clear violation of both the rules of the House and the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Under the Constitution, the House of Representatives has the sole power to initiate impeachment proceedings. The rules of the House explicitly provide a ministerial duty for the Office of the Secretary General to receive and record impeachment complaints that are duly filed. There is no discretion given to the Secretary General to reject, screen, delay, or block such filings. By refusing to accept the complaint, the office effectively usurps the constitutional authority of the House itself and denies the Filipino people their only lawful mechanism to raise grievances against a sitting president. If I may repeat that, by refusing, it denies the Filipino people their only lawful mechanism to raise grievances against a sitting president. Impeachment is not a political favor. It is a constitutional right. It is the only formal process through which citizens, through their representatives, can seek accountability from the highest official of the land. To block this process is not merely procedural error. It is a constitutional violation, an obstruction of a lawful remedy, and a direct assault on the people's right to petition government for redress of grievances. The House of Representatives exists to serve the people, not to shield those in power from scrutiny. The rules are clear. The Constitution is clear. The duty is clear. And no office has the authority to silence the people's voice. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. If I may distribute this.
Meron ako yung dadagdag ko lang. Yung impeachment complaint is actually a people's complaint. Yun lang. So, hindi kailangang pigilan ang reklamo ng taong bayan. It's a people's complaint. It's a constitutional process na nasa constitution natin na pinoprovide para sa ating lahat.
Ako naman, wala na akong idadagdag. Okay na yun.
Anong masasabi niyo hindi tinanggap yung impeachment complaint?
Sino?
Hindi tinanggap.
Yun nga, sa hindi pagtanggap nila, it is not only a violation of the rules, but of course of the Constitution. At ang mas mahalaga, ito lang kasi ang paraan ng taong bayan na magreklamo sa nakaupong Pangulo. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-file sa ombudsman. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-file sa korte. Sa ginawa nilang to, parang tinatanggal nila yung karapatan ng taong bayan na magkaroon ng maayos, legal na pagreklamo doon sa nakikitang problema sa nakaupong presidente.
Ginawa niyo rin ba yung ginawa ng Makabayan kanina na nag-iwan kayo ng kopya ng complaint sa Office of the Secretary?
Hindi.
Nag-iwan kami.
Nag-iwan ba tayo?
Wait, ako lang.
Okay.
Nag-iwan kami, pero hindi nila tinanggap. We attempted, and we have recorded every possible conversation we had with...
So as a copy of your complaint is not inside the Office of the Secretary?
Hindi nila tinanggap.
Sir, what are the grounds for impeachment and for what?
We will be discussing this at another time. Ang tingin namin ang dapat natin pag-usapan ngayon, yung mismong, kasi yung sa maraming pagkakataon sa Korte Suprema, may decision na about impeachment complaints. In fact, the recent decision was on the Vice President. At mabigat tong hindi pagtanggap, hindi namin maintindihan kasi hindi naman si Secretary General Cheloy ang sinasabi ng Saligang Batas. Ang sinasabi ng Saligang Batas, yung opisina. Dapat i-receive nila yun.
So, briefly, betrayal of public trust ba ito? Paglapat sa Constitution?
Yes, lahat.
Marami. Pero let's concentrate sa hindi pagtanggap, please.
Wait. Our ano kasi ako pause eh. Our impeachment complaint encompasses almost all the grounds except for treason and bribery, I guess. But culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption, high crimes. These are all embodied in our complaint against Marcos Jr.
Okay, free sa kamay ha. Kay mo ni ang press conference after sa maong panghitabo dito sa opisina sa Secretary General.
Straight to the point.
Ato tagad pagtagad mga kahigalaan ning padayon sa to gamay itong press code mahigala ha. Ni ining Mike Defensor / Chavit Singson / si Attorney Topacio dawata ang ilang complaint. So kung mauhon ni mahigala simple ra day lain na po ning kabuanga ay. Kung gusto mahigala nila nga why impeachment niya kuan ma-file, di ipa-absent lang na sa inyo na bakasyon pa ba ang Secretary General na wagi ma-file while nagbakasyon. Isa na ning kalakiha mahigala ato sang balikan ning ilang press con be. Sige, go ahead ko no names. Kana.
Sa ngayon, we will call for a press conference tomorrow para i-discuss yung details. Pero sa ngayon, yun yung statement namin, ang hindi pagtanggap nito. Pati yung endorser, kasi may endorser kami nandito. Pero siyempre, tatlo. Siyempre, nung nakita namin, nung na-inform kami na Makabayan Black, and may mga kasama tayo sa Committee on Rules, dun sa nangyari, medyo nagulat na kami. In fact, nakita nyo naman, mali-malita yung dala namin. Pero kung ganito yung mangyari, napakapangit naman. Hindi maganda. Sigurado kami, yung first impeachment complaint is a scam complaint. At yung Makabayan Black, genuine complaint yun. Sinusuportahan din namin yun. Yung complaint namin is a genuine complaint, full of evidences, dapat tinanggap ng Kongreso.
Sir, babalik pa kayo dito sa Monday?
Hindi. Hindi kami babalik. More or less 3. Ayaw ni Jing ako mag-conclude. Pero pag-isipan pa namin. Pero as of now, dapat it should have been accepted, period.
Sir, more or less 3, are they reluctant endorsers?
No, they're not. No, they're not. Ang mga complainants...
Can I read the complainants?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay. Complainants in this case entitled in the matter of the impeachment of Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, Manuelito de los Reyes Luna, yours truly, Jacinto B. Paras, Ferdinand S. Topacio, Michael T. Defensor, Harold Respicio, Mary Catherine Diaz Binag, and Virgilio R. Garcia.
David Simpson.
What is? We are not supporters of the President. We of the Vice President. We are not supporters of the President, but we respect the office of the Vice President because he's the elected official of the land, second highest official of the land. We are citizens of the Philippines, and we are exercising our constitutional duty to file this impeachment to question the betrayal of public trust, culpable violation of the Constitution, and graft and corruption and other high crimes of the incumbent President of the Republic of the Philippines, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Pero is it right to say na kayo po ay pro-Duterte group na nag-file?
Irrelevant yan eh.
No.
This is not ano.
We are for justice. Saan ka? Pro-Philippines? Pro-people?
I'm just like
Yeah, that's
to
right.
reiterate my
Can I just answer that? This is a people's complaint. This is a people's complaint.
Walang sala yan.
Wala. This is a complaint of the people of the Republic of the Philippines.
Excuse us. Sorry. Tomorrow we will have a
That's all.
press con.
Kita pa. Okay. Actually, this is the same color of ribbon that we wore during the successful impeachment of then COMELEC Chairman Andres Bautista Jr. Impeach to impeach. Yun lang. Lalang.
Honey, one picture tayo.
Sorry.
One picture na lang.
Ayaw pa nila until received, syempre.
Kati, one play ko. Nandyan, dun sa, ano.
Mare.
No, governor is part of the impeachment of the complainant.
si Attorney Respicio.
Ay, si Harold, pumunta ka muna. Mamaya ka na mag-live kasi.
Is the complaint related to the infra budget?
All the budget. The entire budget.
Bukas.
All the violations.
Bukas na ba?
2023. Bukas talaga, promise.
Para lang
Sir, budget please. Hindi, lahat lang.
2023 JA, 2024 JA, and 2025 JA. Included.
endorsers, haharap din po sa press con yung endorsers.
We don't know. We'll see po.
But informal yung complaint. Secret. Attorney, right
Secret.
Secret.
Dapat sila, hinaharas sila eh.
Naharap sila.
Upon the request, we have to respect their wishes.
So is the arrest of former president?
Thank you everyone. Salamat.
Bukas na, bukas na.
Nagka-complaint ka ganun.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Yung complaint, kompleto lang po
I-announce ba natin yung panahon kung saan?
Oh, lunch tomorrow, Max.
Ikaw na.
Press conference, Max Restaurant sa Circle. Anong gusto mo yung oras?
11.
O, lunch
Para
time.
umabot
12 umaga.
Okay. Standby may gala ato tagay pagtagan atong dugang hisgutanan labot anay porbida na unsa naman ning kalakiha in taon. Mga sukintig paminaw ha. Atong hatagay pagtagan ang dugang pa mga hisgutanan labot anay. Wa na gyud og atong hunonaon mga kagalaan kining ilang style. Tinuod ning giingon ni Mike Defensor nga murag nawad-an na. Ilan ang gitangtang ang avenue nga pwede kang makapasakag kaso sa presidente. Kung mauhon ni mga sukintig paminaw. Kay presidente sitting president can only be sued niining impeachment. Di man sa pwedeng pasakaag kaso sa korte, di man sa pwedeng pasakaag kaso sa ombudsman. Impeachment la. Nya karon og mularga ang Secretary General o may di man pwedeng mapasaka di ay.